Right people, welcome to another video. Today's video is just quite simple really. I want to explain a few things. Okay, so welcome to my channel. If you're new, I'm Calvin. My channel's called Calvin's Car Diary, and things are changing on my channel in the coming future. In the now actually, not even in the coming future, it's happening right now. Things are changing. I'm very experimental in life. I like to try different things out, and I don't know, it's just how I am. I get ideas and I try them out, and I get another idea, I want to try that out, and I end up doing loads of everything. I'm just one of them people. But right now, I'm experimenting with a new thing with my YouTube channel. And let's rewind a little bit. A few weeks ago, I went to Wales, right? You probably would have seen that on my Instagram, if you follow me on Instagram, that is. I went to Wales for a long drive, and the reason why I went to Wales was for a court case. Now, I've done a video about that day, going to the court case. It was actually another video that I filmed on that day was the video of keep left and left overtaking. If you didn't watch that video, please go and watch that video because it's quite educational for people that drive on the motorway. If you drive on the motorway, you don't know how to drive on the motorway, go and watch that video. It will teach you how to drive on the motorway. A lot of people don't know how to drive properly on the motorway. It's a little bit annoying. If you don't know, it's cool. Go and check that video out. But anyway, yeah, so that day I was driving in my Porsche to Wales. It was a 4-hour drive, and the whole way there, you know, naturally you sit in a car on your own, you think about stuff. And the biggest thing that I thought about was my YouTube channel, making videos. And I concluded a couple of things in that journey, but there and back. So I went there, I done the court case, and I filmed the video on the court case. And I drove back, and I had my suction mount and the camera, this camera in fact, and I put my camera in the window and I just wanted to film that day. And as my day unfolded, I started thinking, well, I know what I want to do. Like, I'd filmed that day about my day going to the court and how my court case went, and thought this is quite good, it's quite interesting. I think people would like to see this sort of stuff. I'm a car trader, this is what I do daily. And I like doing vlogs, I like just carrying a camera with me and filming what I do. And I thought, I think this could be as simple as just doing daily vlogs, not daily vlogs, just vlogging what I do. I don't think I'll ever do daily vlogs because I can't edit quick enough. But, so I've done them videos, I got back, started editing them, and I then discovered that a good experiment or a good thing to try would be Calvin's Car Diary, Diary of a Car Trader. I thought this could be quite good. I think people would like this. And a lot of people ask me, like, I'll get messages on Instagram and stuff. People ask me, Calvin, what do you do for a living, and how do you run your business, and blah, blah, blah. In a nutshell, me and my brother Leon, we've got this car buying company called The Car Buying Shop, and we buy and sell cars, and we buy and sell lots of cars. So if you like cars, it's a dream job. And me, start again. If you like cars, it's a dream job. But I also love filming videos, and these two things can go hand in hand perfectly. So Diary of a Car Trader is like the perfect thing to film and edit and upload to YouTube. So what I've done is I've filmed about 10 videos, okay? They've all been filmed, and I've started editing them here. This is my computer, I'm currently in my pajamas, this is not a t-shirt. I do like to wear PJs, I'm all about creature comforts. I love to chill out at home and get comfortable before I hit up the editing especially, right? So I filmed about 10 videos and I've edited probably about 2 or 3 of them. And I think these videos are just a bit more about me. I just want to be a bit more real with people. I want to show people about the car trade. I want to like, I don't know, just try and communicate with you lot better. You lot might find that you want to get involved with the car trade. I don't know. I want to connect with more people, and it's going to be sort of less car reviews and more daily Calvin's life. Now, I follow a couple of vloggers, and not necessarily car vloggers, just general vloggers, and I find them quite interesting. I don't think vlogs get you loads of views. If you want to do views, you've got to do things and target specific keywords, like, or be clickbait or whatever. But vlogs are quite cool and quite interesting, I think, because you become interested in that person, and that person puts their, it's quite personal really, it's their private life on social media, but it's quite interesting and you get to know that person. And I think I'd like to do that more often. Strangely, I've got a bug to do it. So, like I say, this is just an experiment. I've filmed 10 videos, okay? I'm gonna begin editing them, and tomorrow I've got the first one going live. Now, tomorrow's video is the video of me driving to Wales, okay? Now, on my journey to Wales, I didn't actually know that I was gonna be doing Diary of a Car Trader until about halfway through filming, and I thought, you know what, I quite like this idea, and I think people are gonna be interested in it. So I think as the video went on, it unfolded, and I started to realise that this is what I wanted to do. And I'm pretty sure I mentioned it near the end of the video. But that video I've named Diary of a Car Trader episode 0.0, because it's not actually episode 1, because it was never officially going to be episode 1. If that makes sense. After that video, I've got episode 0.5, okay? Again, it was a journey back from Wales. That was not supposed to be a Diary of a Car Trader video. Like I said, these ideas were forming to and from this journey from Wales. So after that was when I got back and I decided I want to start doing it. So my first ever episode, Diary of a Car Trader episode 1, I'm not going to tell you what it is now, but that's like the first proper episode of Diary of a Car Trader. So I have been quiet on Instagram, and the main reason I've been quiet on Instagram is because I don't want to put it out there what I've been driving, because I've been driving some pretty cool cars. I think that's going to be someone telling me to... I'll ignore that. I've been driving some pretty cool cars. I haven't posted them on Instagram because I don't want to spill the beans and let everyone know what cars I've been filming, because I want to make it a secret for the Diary of a Car Trader. So if you want to find out what cars I've been driving and filming, you've got to wait for the episodes to go live on YouTube. It's just how I've chose to do things. So yeah, people have been messaging me on Instagram saying, Calvin, are you okay? Like, you've not been posting on Instagram. And for me, this is odd. You know, I love doing Insta stories. I love having a bit of fun on Instagram. I love like just doing a bit of stupid stuff. You know, I like to mess around a little bit. But I've just chose to make Diary of a Car Trader a bit, I suppose, like unique or exclusive, or just a bit more, not even private. I just wanted to keep my head down, crack on and do that, okay? So that's what I've been doing. I've been filming it like not daily, but most days I've been filming, and most days I've been editing. I've been trying to do as much editing as I can. And like I say, it's just an experiment. And there is currently gonna be about 10 episodes, okay? So tomorrow, the first video is gonna go up. That's just a video about the court case. Again, that court case has held me up. I couldn't upload the court case video until the court case had been solved. That's all now dealt with, so now I can finally go ahead and firstly move on from this bloody court case, and secondly get the video uploaded as well. Alright, so that's going to go up tomorrow, and so don't expect nothing too exciting about that, but well, do expect an exciting video. It's interesting. It's about a bloody court case. We're all a little bit nosy, so it's not a bad video to watch. So go and check that out tomorrow, and look out, like I say, for episode 1, then moving on from there, 2, 3 and 4 and so on, okay? I'm not going to get everyone all hyped up and get everyone excited. I'm obviously excited about it. It's just something I want to give a shot, and I think people are going to like it, alright? So I'm sorry that I've been a bit quiet on Instagram, but I don't really think you don't care about that. I don't need to say sorry to anyone. I've just been busy doing what I'm doing, and I'm pretty sure everyone gets that. So look out for the videos in the coming weeks. Again, I want to go touch on upload times as well. I used to do Sunday at 7. I was quite strict to myself about that. I'm gonna just be a bit more chilled about it, upload as and when. I'm gonna try and upload at least once a week. I'd love, a dream for me would be to upload daily, but that would probably never happen because, like I said earlier, I'm proper slow at editing. At least once a week would be great, but they're gonna be it might land on a Friday, it might land on a Wednesday, but the best thing to do to know that when I upload is just give me a follow on Instagram, all right? That's it. I did actually begin writing a list of what to talk about in this video, and I got that far because generally I just sort of film and talk. I don't really plan what I film. I just rattle on and see how it goes. So I've pretty much done this in one take. I'm sure I would have cut it a good few times and thrown some random stuff. That's it. That's the update of my life. I'm fine. I've just been cracking on in the background, all right? So I'll see you tomorrow with the court case video. Let me know if you've got any thoughts on any of this, if you've got any thoughts on following a car trader on YouTube, any comments, anything you've got to say, hit me in the comments below. And going forward from there, tomorrow's video, if you've got anything to say about it, just hit me with comments. Let's get some combo going. And I want some feedback. I want to know what people are thinking, all right? So I hope you liked the video. If you did, obviously hit like, and if this video somehow managed to attract any new people, if you're new, you like cars, hit subscribe, right? See you later.